Welcome to Forestry Tech. Get ready to be captivated by daring feats and the true dangers these individuals face on a daily basis. No more waiting, let's dive right in. It was like watching a giant domino effect. One strike from the drill. Couldn't believe my eyes. Damn. The Deutz-Fahr's braking performance was a masterclass in safety and precision. And here I thought 2024 was unpredictable. That tree just dropped the mic on this guy's afternoon. When you have the power, no challenge is too big. Everything becomes so much simpler to conquer. The way the Ural throws snow aside is nothing short of spectacular. It's not just clearing the road, it's asserting dominance over winter. It's captivating to watch. Such a smooth maneuver. It's clear this driver knows exactly what they're doing after years on the job. Next time, chop the tree, not the sign. But hey, that's some impressive logging. In the midst of swirling snow, the team rallied together like a band of brave warriors, determined to free their stranded truck from winter's fierce embrace. Impressive teamwork. The trailer buckled under the timber truck's weight, causing a crash. Miraculously, the driver walked away unscathed. Wow, that was a wild ride. The fat truck 8x8 charging through the icy sludge was pure adrenaline. What a show! The Kamaz slid down the slope, spun around, and the driver handled it so smoothly, like nothing even happened. Don't risk it, friends. Leave it to those who know what they're doing. When you think it's steady, snap. The suspense was unreal. There were moments when it looked like they might not succeed, but the Cat D9R just kept pushing. It was like a gladiator battling against the elements, and in the end, victory was theirs. Just when you think it can't get more thrilling, watch as Sergio maneuvers the Cat D6T, pushing stones that could crush a truck, showing guts that defy gravity. My heart stopped for a second there.
Then this leg on the left, and then that feet up.
There it goes!
Watching the demolition live was like holding my breath until it hit the ground. The sheer size of it collapsing was both terrifying and awe-inspiring. That hill is steep enough to make anyone hesitate, but the Volvo A40D barely flinches. The suspense! The truck roars with all its might, black smoke everywhere, yet it keeps sliding backward. Is this a case of an immovable object versus an unstoppable force? Speechless. That truck dumping rocks near the Coloma River was like a scene out of a high-stakes drama. Did anyone see that coming? To balance a tractor on a bridge that unstable, pure guts and skill. Awesome machine. My dirtbag neighbor needs this for the overgrown lawn. Bravo. Becoming a truly skilled operator takes years of experience, and I've tackled countless challenges with a Cat 345. The resilience of this vehicle X-Pen is insane. It's not just a vehicle, it's a true survivor, like a phoenix rising from the ground. Yikes. That's not how you want to start the day. I bet the driver's heart is racing right now.
Se sale, no es, se sale, hay que dejar. Uy, puta, de buena, ¿vale?
This job demands careful precision. The drivers must possess high skill, as even the slightest mistake can lead to an accident. The way that asphalt erupted, it was like a volcano. Oh my god, that looks really fun. I want to ride.
Fuck yeah. Oh yeah.
No way. That truck just did a stunt I've only seen in action movies. Crazy. Holy smokes! It's like a fog machine gone wrong. That truck better cool down before things get out of hand.
Malah
Damn, it's like a plot twist you never see coming. Is this the craziest rescue attempt ever for a stuck skidder? Yeah, time to reset your clocks? Did you see that Caterpillar 657 take on that steep bank? The way it handled the terrain with such power and precision was mind-blowing. I guess that's one way to clean out the tracks without shoveling. So interesting.
Hey
हे प्रभु
Prabhu.
हे हरि राम कृष्ण जगन्नाथ प्रेम गलाव के पानी आ गया
Hey bro, are you kidding me?
ये देखिए
Perfect. Can you imagine the heads it would turn on the highway? Absolute jaw dropper. On this route, a guide is absolutely essential. Navigating the Trochas del Guaviare by the Guayabero is an adventure.
Now it's recording.
See, it doesn't sink first, Jim. This bloke keeps his foot to the floor. You just can't hear anything, can you?
So you think, oh no, it's cut out.
Has it cut out? Because it'll stay there now. It will keep going now. It's just constantly got grip.
Looks like this is his unique way of washing the truck.
It's got on YouTube somewhere.
I'll get the watermark in a minute.
Put the lights on.
Taking an old tractor into the forest to haul wood is a real adventure. Oh man! Somebody give the bulldozer driver an award for giving us all a mini heart attack. The suspense was real, and the sound? Well, things got out of hand quickly. The bulldozer just made a spectacular exit, sliding away like it was auditioning for a stunt. No way that just happened. 1 second they're pulling and the next, wham! Whoa! That crane went down faster than my hopes of winning the lottery. Hold on to your hard hats. That loader is about to take dirt gymnastics to a whole new level. Talk about strength and finesse. The Cobalco SK380HD handles its tracks like a master at work. With each log it dragged through the deep snow, the Tiger Cat 635D danced on the edge of control. What a sight to behold. Exactly. The mailbox didn't stand a chance. I still can't believe my eyes. How did they make it look so easy? Each step felt like the edge of a cliff, yet they moved without hesitation. As the bus finally reached safety, it felt like a miracle. Each step felt like the edge of a cliff, yet they moved without hesitation. As the bus finally reached safety, it felt like a miracle. What a sight! The truck deftly maneuvers the D657 scraper around corners, demonstrating power and precision, a true testament to professional driving.